Hello, this is just a quick video. It's pretty quiet at night. Actually, it's past 12 already right now. So as you can see, I am at a different DC fast charging station now. I'm standing outside, and the reason why I want to film this is, as you can see from at the very beginning of the video, I have recently installed the Tesla logo welcome light. Actually, I have it on all four, so I just filmed on one side, so at least you can see what it actually looks like at night. But I must say, they look fantastic. I want to do something a little bit more fancy to my car. I'm excited about this little upgrade. So. With that being said, see you next time.